This aloo torkari that my mom makes is my favorite, guys. It is so nostalgic for me. I remember my sisters and I used to fill bowls with this torkari and wait for Ma to finish frying luchis so that we could gobble up those luchis with this torkari. Let's make this together. Take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pot. Only mustard oil, guys, not normal cooking oil. To that, add 3/4 teaspoons of kalonji or kalonji and 4 to 6 green chillies or to taste. This is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is optional in this recipe, but we like it with a little bit. Some salt to taste, and now comes in chopped potatoes. This is 8 medium-sized potatoes chopped. I'm making a lot of this torkari because Ma is frying luchis next to me and I know it's not going to take us long to finish this up. Fry the potatoes on medium heat for 5 minutes and then add in 2 cups of water. Basically enough water till the potatoes are just submerged. We're going to place the lid on and let the potatoes cook through. Guys, you won't believe it. That's it. These are the few ingredients that go into this curry and make magic. Because I'll tell you what, mustard oil with kalonji, green chili and turmeric powder makes magic.